Hey folks, today is process day here at the Steady Trader, where I'm going through a lot of different phone calls with my clients and talk about the process of sort of looking at the market top down. And I wanted to update you guys on something that I offered last weekend here, which was a move from neutral to bullish in healthcare stocks. And so I wanted to update you guys on that because we're seeing more and more stocks in that space starting to participate. So last week I showed you guys a chart of the XLV, which is the healthcare sector ETF. And I'll show it to you again right now. It's the weekly chart. We saw a nice breakout, and now we're looking at our B2 reversal indicator, which is my proprietary indicator looking for these strong buy and sell turning points. And I'll show you guys how we're now seeing some individual stocks as well doing the same thing. So let's do this here. So this is the chart I showed you guys at some point last week. And this is, again, the weekly chart of the XLV, which is the healthcare sector ETF. And you can see very clearly, it doesn't need, you don't need a degree in any sort of technical analysis to see this. You can see the nice bullish reversal here and a breakout taking place in healthcare stocks. And my bet is that I think we'll see a continuation of that over the next weeks or so. Of course, we do have earnings season coming into play. So what I did yesterday then is I opened up my B2 reversal indicator scanner, and I looked for some stocks in this space that are giving us reversals. And sure enough, for example, one of them that came up was ABT, which is Abbott Labs. This is a company, of course, in that space. You can see B2 reversal signal that triggered and became, based on this arrow, became valid here on the move to the upside. Another one that we saw taking place also in this sector or this group of stocks is Allergan. I guess is the best way of putting it. And you can see it here. We had a sell signal here, and then the stock dropped, and now we're getting a buy signal, which was verified a couple days later here, and a nice move to the upside above its 200-day moving average. So really nice move here. Again, it's all process related. And, you know, this is probably as good a spot as any to remind you once again, and I know I say this a lot, but it really is important, that if you want to be successful really at anything, but certainly in the stock market, it doesn't matter whether you're a day trader or a swing trader or a long-term investor, you have to have some sort of a process that's repeatable. And I think most people don't have that. So with our top-down approach and then looking at things like the B2 reversal indicator, giving us, you know, selling points and buying points, you know, that's really, really important, and taking that into consideration with things like we're seeing here, which are fairly decently major breakouts on a sector basis. So that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.